Hi, everyone. Today we're going to continue looking at data or information in a table or chart to figure out answers to word problems. We're going to practice this again because it's a very important skill to have. This data shows bamboo plant growth for 1 week. You may ask yourself, well, what is bamboo? Let me show you a picture of bamboo. Bamboo looks like very thick and tall blades of grass. You may have seen this before or even have it in your back or front yards. So that is what bamboo is. And I'm going to go ahead and read the directions. Bamboo is one of the world's fastest growing plants. Some types of bamboo grow more than 24 inches per day. That's 2 lengths of 2 rulers. So the length of 2 rulers, it grows that much per day. Wow. And reach heights close to 100 feet. For 1 week, a growing bamboo plant was measured. The chart below shows its height at the beginning of each day. So here's the bamboo plant growth for 1 week. On Sunday, the first day of the week, it started out at 12 inches. And then by Saturday of the next weekend, it grew up to 99 inches. Can you believe that? Wow. Okay, fast growing stuff. So we're going to use this information to solve these word problems. Number 1 says, how many inches did the bamboo plant grow from Tuesday to Friday? So I know right here, it says Tuesday. There's Tuesday. It says TUES, period. That's an abbreviation for Tuesday. And this is Friday. FRI, period, is an abbreviation for Friday. So on Tuesday, it grew from 40 inches to 80 inches. Wow. So if I wrote a number model for that, would that be an addition or subtraction number model? Well, I know that when I'm comparing 2 things, it is a subtraction sentence that I need to solve. And I am comparing 2 things. I'm comparing the bamboo from Tuesday to Friday. So that means I'm going to subtract 40 and 80. So let me get a pen here. Let's see how well I write with my virtual pen today. This should be an adventure. So I have 40 and 80. Remember, with subtraction, we put the larger number on top. So I'm going to put 80 here. And I'm going to put 40. Whoops, sorry about that. Wow, I need more practice, don't I? I'm going to put 40 underneath. And I'm going to subtract. I do hope your writing is better than mine. It should be, since you're holding a pencil. Make sure you're doing this with me. We're subtracting. And I know I need to start in the ones place when I'm subtracting. So that means in the ones place, I have 0 take away 0. I know that is 0. And 8 take away 4 is 4. So 80 take away 40 is 40. So I'm going to go ahead and clear that. And right here, let's see, hold on a second. Yes. Okay. Oh, I guess I can't get away from the pen. So I'm going to write it again. I was hoping I could type it, but it doesn't look like it's going to let me. So here I'm going to put 80, take away 40, and we said that that was 40, right? So here's our number model. 80 take away 40 equals 40. And then, guess what we put? Whoops, it's a big 4. I'll put a big 0 next to it. Okay, so guess what we put for our answer? 40. There we go. I hope someday technology advances and they make it easier to write with a virtual pen. Okay, I still think I'm getting better though. What do you think? Don't answer that. All right, let's look at number 2. How many inches did the bamboo plant grow from Thursday to Friday? Okay, so here we have Thursday. The abbreviation for Thursday is THURS, period. Here's Friday. The abbreviation is FRI, period. For Thursday, we have 63 inches. For Friday, we have 80 inches. We're comparing again. We're comparing the growth from one day to the next. We're comparing the 2 days of growth. That means I'm going to subtract 63 and 80. And when I subtract, what number do I put on top when I'm writing it old school? The 80, because the 80 is bigger. So there's my very weird 8 and 80, and I'm going to put 63 underneath. All right, here we go. Oh yeah, so much fun. Okay. So I'm going to start with the ones column. I have 0, take away 3. Do you remember what we do when we have a number that can't take away another number? If I have nothing, I can't take away 3 from it. So I have to go to my neighbor and say, please, sir, can I have a 1? And he says yes, because I always have a very nice neighbor. So if you take away, or if you borrow 1 from 8, you're going to get 7. 8 take away 1 is 7. And where do we put that 1 that we borrowed? Right in front of the 0. I'm going to make that blue just so you can see that really clearly. I'm going to put that 1 in front of the 0, so it makes what number? Ugh, that's terrible. That's a 10. So now I'm doing 10 take away 3, and that is, I know, 7. Now, for this column, it's no longer an 8 that's here, it's a 7. So now I have 7 take away 6, which is 1. So we're going to write our number model here. We got 80, and we're going to take away 63. There we go. Wow, it's like a Minecraft 63 or worse. And we got the answer of 17. So the answer is 17. Oh, that looks pretty decent. Yay, me. Okay, so I'm going to cut you loose on your own. You're going to do numbers 3, 4, and 5 on this page. For number 5, you're making up your own number story and solving it. Pay attention to the wording of each problem and see if they're comparing or if they're asking how many inches they are altogether. Pay attention to that and you'll know what to do. Spoiler alert, whenever a problem says how many inches taller, with wording like that, or how much bigger, or how much smaller, or how much more, it's always comparing language. So this word problem says how many inches taller. This word problem says how many inches taller. That means it's comparing. And I know I'm right because it says how many inches taller was the bamboo plant on Saturday than Tuesday. I'm comparing Saturday and Tuesday, and look here, you're comparing Saturday with Sunday. So what does that mean? Subtraction, because you're comparing. Now for this one, you can compare, or you can do a total problem and make it addition. It's up to you. Okay, once you finish this page, I also want you to do page 168, this page right here. Not this one, not that page, but just this page only, page 168, after you do page 167.